also can be brought to life. You can be very sure and sure that you are doing an original work. And when your work is complete, you can be very sure that this is your original work and this will be awarded for scholarships. Okay, and this you can present it before any scholarly journal, any journal of international repute. Okay, national or international repute. And also, what, as I told you, you can just guide your successors and show a way to your successors for further research. You see, as human beings, all are having limitations as to what we can do. We can take up research in one or two or three subjects. We cannot go into research for all the topics that we are encountering, right? So what? Solve the problems as far as possible and leave the problems that we cannot solve for our successors to solve it. That is, make a clear cut definition of problems that are not solved so that whoever is reading our journal can very well know that yes, there is a point wherein I can take up this and solve it. This is a very good research gap or a research problem that can be investigated. Okay, so these successors can also be taking the research further ahead, right? So this is the purpose. These are some of the purpose. Okay, some of the purpose of literature review. You know, we cannot mention every purpose of literature review because the purpose and importance of literature review is never ending. Okay, actually, before going into sources of literature review, I'd like to tell you that literature review actually is, as I told you, very important chapter in all the theses or dissertation, or even for project works that students do in UG or PG levels. But it is given less importance. Why? Because literature reviews is very easy to find. You know, use any electronic media and type in the topic plus literature review and all the literature reviews. You know, you can get so many pages of literature review. Just copy it, paste it. What is the use of reading all these literatures and preparing a bibliography and literature review and all that? That is a tragic situation of literature review. Its importance is least understood. And really, I would take this opportunity to the organizers of this FDP for choosing this topic, this very important topic, and highlighting this, and so that we can discuss about the importance. Now, the importance of this literature review is that one of the importance is that it can bring out quality researchers. Okay, if it is done properly, what happens is quality is the outcome of our paper. Now, when we are developing quality, we as researchers, scholars are developing quality, what we deliver to the society is also quality. Okay. Now, and I think and feel really what is lacking is, I must say that quality is lacking somewhere, is finding a backbench somewhere. Something else and all is finding very importance nowadays. I hope everybody will agree with me, right? Now, now that is the importance of literature review, and for taking this topic, I thank you. Now, saying all that, we are coming to sources of literature review. Now, primary source and secondary source. This is basically from two sources. Okay. There is a third source also, which we'll discuss later on. Actually, it is basically from these two sources that we are getting our literature review, and we are preparing our literature review also from these two sources, right? Now, what do you mean by primary sources? Let us examine.